Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to rearrange or reorder pages on your Wix website. So let's get started. First, open your Wix editor and then on the left hand side you will see the pages and menu option. Click on that and then you have to choose site menu. Now here you are able to rearrange it. Something you just have to just drag it and drop it and rearrange according to your way. And if you want to hide something, just click on the three dots, and then here you will see the option of hide from menu, and you will see that that particular thing was hide. Now, if you want to take that back, click on the three dots again, and then click on show in the menu. Now, once you are happy with arranging or you are done with arranging, just click on the preview button at the top right side to check how it looks. And that's it. You have just successfully reordered your Wix website pages. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.